In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in the video Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your clips to life with the right soundtrack and how to control it so it supports your visuals and voice without getting in the way. Start by heading to your My Projects page in Wave.video. This is where all your videos live. Once you're there, pick the video you want to enhance. Choose something that's ready for sound, or at least close to final, so the music you add fits the pacing of your edits. Open that project and click Edit Video. This takes you into the editor where you'll see your timeline, preview window, and tool panels. On the left side, find the audio section. This is your hub for everything sound related. If you want to browse Wave.video's built-in music library, you can stay right there and explore by mood, genre, or tempo. If you already have a track you love or need to use a specific brand theme, click the Uploads option. That lets you bring in your own audio files. As a quick tip, make sure you have the rights to use any music you upload and stick to high-quality files for the best results. Next, choose a music track and add it to your project. You can usually preview it first to make sure the vibe matches your content. When it feels right, add it and the track will appear on your timeline beneath your video. Now it's time to adjust it so everything sounds polished. Drag the ends of the music clip to trim any extra silence and position it so it starts exactly where you want. If your video is longer than the track, you can duplicate or extend music thoughtfully, aiming for natural transitions between sections. Adjust the volume so it sits under your main audio. If you have dialogue or a voiceover, keep the music lower so speech is always clear. Fades are your friend. Add a gentle fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end so the music doesn't start or stop abruptly. Listen for competing frequencies, like strong vocals in the song that might clash with your narration, and choose an instrumental if needed. Preview the entire video and watch your audio meters to avoid distortion. Small tweaks go a long way. A couple of decibels up or down can make the mix feel balanced. When everything feels cohesive and your message shines through, you've successfully added background music to your video in